Today I'm showing you how to get your drafts back after deleting TikTok on your Android device. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. You'll be taken to the TikTok homepage. Tap on Profile in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy from the menu. Scroll down to the Support and About section and tap Help Center. From the problem categories, tap on Chat with Us, which you'll find at the bottom. In the text box, type your message explaining your issue. For example, I deleted TikTok and need help recovering my drafts from my previous account. Please help restore my saved videos. Tap the Send button and wait for TikTok support to respond. They typically reply within 24 to 48 hours. And that's it. You've submitted a request to recover your drafts after deleting TikTok. Wait for support to respond with possible solutions.